Isn't blood part of the
circulatory system?
Yeah, that one.
The circulatory system is an organ system that moves nutrients, gases, and waste to and from cells. The circulatory system is also called the cardiovascular system. It includes the heart, the blood, and blood vessels.
Blood is the fluid that circulates around the body, bringing to your cells the nutrients and gases your body needs. Blood also gets rid of the waste your cells produce.
Wow, blood is pretty important.
But wait, there's more. Some cells in the blood help fight diseases, and the circulating blood also helps maintain your body temperature.
The heart is the main engine of the circulatory system. It's a large muscle made of 4 different chambers, 2 on the right and 2 on the left.
The right side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood into the lungs so that carbon dioxide can be dropped off and oxygen can be picked up. The left side of the heart pumps the oxygenated blood all the way to the rest of the body.
That's why the left side of the heart is bigger than the right. It has to work harder.
Are there any other parts of the circulatory system?
I'm glad you asked. The arteries and veins are tube-like vessels. Arteries take blood from the heart, and veins bring blood back to the heart.
And each time the blood circulates from the heart out to the body, about 20% of it goes through the kidneys. The kidneys filter out some of the waste before the blood heads back to the heart.
The kidneys are actually part of the urinary system.